Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Upstart Holdings. The report was first published on our website Tuesday, May 10, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Upstart Holdings? In this video you will get insight in both the technical and the fundamental situation in addition to future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Our systems currently rank the Upstart Holdings stock with a -7.000 score, and our system has ranked Upstart Holdings sell candidate since March 30, 2022. In this period the stock has had a loss of -70.54%. This is an average return of -2.43% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Upstart Holdings, our last headline reads, Upstart Holdings Inc. stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold/accumulate after Tuesday trading session. No changes to the price of Upstart Holdings Inc. stock on the last trading day, Tuesday, May 10, 2022. During the day the stock fluctuated 0% from a day low at $83.89 to a day high of $83.89. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been an 11.13% gain for the last 2 weeks. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $401.49, and the lowest price was $29.02. Right now the price is 91.63%, or $367.88, below 52-week high at $401.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -38.30% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -35.32% and 94.12%. The 12-month trend indicates a -18.44% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -81.35% and 742.43%. This equals a price between $6.27 and $283.14 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Upstart Holdings stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Upstart Holdings stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Upstart Holdings. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Upstart Holdings Inc. stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $86.19 and $92.96. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume fell on the last day without any changes to the price. This does not cause any direct divergence but may be an early warning and a possible turning point. The very low volume increases the risk and reduces the other technical signals issued. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, May 6, 2022, and so far it has fallen 0%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 51 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 144 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 31 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 123 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 116 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Upstart Holdings. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the stock may perform very badly in the next couple of days. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and therefore the general risk is considered very low. However, be aware of low or falling volume and make sure to keep an eye on the stock. During the last day, the stock moved $0 between high and low, or 0%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 6.42%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Upstart Holdings. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Upstart Holdings currently has a price-earning ratio of 77.99. A high price-to-earnings ratio could mean that a company's stock is overvalued, or else that investors are expecting high growth rates in the future. Here are some possible good day trading levels. The stock does not have any resistance from accumulate volume above and may therefore move very fast upwards given the right conditions. You should therefore enter the stock and use volume to determine when to exit. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Upstart Holdings is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Nickel Allison, whom have bought and sold 10,619 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -62.739. In total, the insiders bought 60,000 and sold 267,821 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Upstart Holdings stock a buy? Upstart Holdings Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Wednesday 11th, we expect Upstart Holdings to open up $0.0900 and start trading at $33.70. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember that anyone leaving a company stand the chance of winning a lifetime subscription worth $495 to our services. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.